Hey gang, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty unboxing video. My name's Amy Harber. This is where you can find me. This is the May Target beauty box. The theme is Hello Indulgence. It's all about indulging yourself. So fun times. It's a pretty big box, got a lot of products there. So let's get into it. So hey y'all, it is the Target May beauty box. Hello Indulgence. It says job, kids, home, social calendar. If you're like most women, you're juggling a ton, which is why you deserve to feel absolutely spoiled. Inside this box, you'll find a few of our faves that make you feel pampered, appreciated, and loved. Boom. What I love is that they give you a list of all the products, and then also, see those little red things? Those are like little tips and tricks, little hacks. So, the first one is OGX Coconut Miracle Dry Shampoo. It has coconut oil. It says to boost volume, flip hair upside down, and then use your fingers to blend the formula towards your ends. I just like doing that in the roots. It smells great. You can definitely smell the coconut there. So then we have St. Ives cleaning stick. I have no idea what you do with a clean stick. It is St. Ives clean stick. It's got cactus water and hibiscus. It instantly hydrates and softens skin as you cleanse. So it says cleaning stick gently massages skin. Okay, I have no idea what you do with it. Oh, you wet your face, then you twist up the stick and you rub it on your skin. Massage with fingertips to lather. So basically it's a face cleaner and you rub it on your face and then you... So this is great for travel though. So I'll probably be taking that with me. I'm doing a little traveling for Thanksgiving. Solids are the way to go. I'm telling you, when you travel, you don't have to worry about all those leaky things. Yeah, there we go. Boom. Let's check this out. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Yep, just put that on there. Cleanse it. Boom. Smells great, too. Oh, my gosh. Who knew cactus water smelled so great? Then we have Roche Posay Lipicar. It's a lightweight moisturizer that leaves your skin feeling supple. Use it on clean skin. It's not greasy, non-sticky. Yay. I'm assuming it's for all over your body. Doesn't say whether it's for your face or not. Then we have Free and Lovely by Bodycology. It's body mist. It's lavender and amber. I might actually, because it's lavender, I might actually use it as a pillow spray at night. Little lavender, little, what's it called? Aromatherapy? Yeah. Little. Then we have Conair 3-piece spiral ponytailer. So it's supposed to be dent-free. You're supposed to tame even the wildest of manes. Let's find out if they tame even the wildest of manes. I'm a little scared about putting these plastic in my hair here. Okay, well, my hair seems to be tamed. Then we have Soap and Glory, Scrub of Your Life. I love this body scrub, so I'm glad that it's in this box. Then finally we have Neutrogena, Ultra Sheer Lotion Sunscreen. I don't know why I need sunscreen. Well, this box is from May, so I might have needed sunscreen then. Now I don't need sunscreen so much, so maybe we'll just hold on to that until, or maybe I'll take a winter vacay. Who knows? Okay, now let's test this. Okay, didn't rip my hair coming out, so we'll keep those. That'll be good. And that is the box. And you know where to find me. Till next time, stay beautiful.